Ever wondered how you can buy Bitcoin, USDT, or Tonkin right inside Telegram? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the official Wallet bot on Telegram to safely and easily purchase crypto, all from your phone or computer. By the end, you'll understand each step, see the whole process in action, and feel confident enough to give it a try yourself. I do want to mention up front, this demo uses an empty wallet just for demonstration purposes. I won't actually be moving any money here, so you can watch the process risk-free. Let's dive in. First, let's find and start chatting with the Wallet bot. The Wallet bot is the most trusted way to manage ton-based assets like Tonkin and USDT directly within Telegram. Think of it as your personal crypto assistant, built into the same app you already use to chat with friends. In the Telegram search bar, type @wallet and look for the official verified bot. It should have a blue check mark. Go ahead and tap Start to begin your conversation with the bot. If this is your very first time, don't worry, the setup is designed to be beginner-friendly. Now let's set up your wallet through the bot. You'll follow a few simple on-screen instructions. For example, you might need to confirm your phone number and create a wallet passcode. Setting up the wallet is important because it generates a secure, unique address where your crypto will be stored. Think of it as opening a new bank account, but for your digital assets. Take your time on this step, security is always worth it. With your wallet set up next, you'll need to fund it, which is basically adding money before you can buy any crypto. In the Wallet menu, look for options like Buy Crypto or Deposit with Bank Card. Here, you can choose a payment method that works for you. For most users, using a credit or debit card is the simplest choice, but Telegram also supports peer-to-peer or P2P markets if you prefer. Just follow the prompts, enter your card details, or agree to the P2P transaction. All your information is handled securely through the bot's interface. This might take a few moments to process, so don't worry if there's a short delay before your new balance appears in the wallet. Once your wallet is funded, great, you're nearly there. Staying within the Wallet chat, go to the purchasing section. Here you'll see options for various cryptocurrencies like TON, BTC, or USDT. Pick the coin you want to buy and then type in the amount you like to purchase. The bot will show you the current exchange rate and any fees before you commit. This is your review screen, double-check that everything looks correct. If you're satisfied, just confirm the purchase and that's it. The bot will then deposit the crypto directly into your Telegram wallet. That means you can send, receive, or hodl your new crypto right inside the Telegram app. And that's all there is to it. Buying crypto with Telegram's Wallet bot is straightforward, secure, and available 24/7. If any step felt confusing, don't worry, it can take a couple tries to get comfortable. And if you have questions or get stuck, I'm happy to help out. Drop your questions in the comments below, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more practical crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.